Hi, this is Art with OCRV here in Yorba Linda at our new facility. We've been operating about 4 months now. Just show you a job that just came in that was all involved in a pretty violent front end crash here. Car lost control in front of it, spun out, and the motorhome had no choice but to take it on. So the damage looks worse than it is. There's a little structural damage inside. The generator took some damage, but we'll refabricate this front end and do all the inner structural repair and get this coach back on the road better than new. Also, I want to talk about a little bit, we were talking to the customer, about what was going on during this collision, and there was some loose stuff in the coach and flying around a little bit. You can notice the slide out is cocked out at the front. It's not that it's broken. What happened was during the collision, the top of the slide out popped out because it's not latched up there. It's just pulled in at the bottom. And as it rocked out, something slid across the floor and actually wedged underneath the slide out, a crock pot. So, secure your stuff inside your motorhome. No blocks and knives on the counters. Put everything in the sinks and drawers. Bolt everything down so it's not flying around your motorhome if, this happens to you. So if you need any collision repair, paint body, service, general maintenance, oil change, generator repair, please give us a call here at OCRV in Yorba Linda. We'd be happy to help.